Hello guys, good afternoon. We are here in Church of San Roque Paras at Tarman Camiguin.
Hello guys.
Waiting for my sister. Guys. Ayan guys. How are you, viewers? Have a great day. Have a nice day, Monday. Today is May
May.
25,
Ako, May.
2026. Ayan guys.
Ako kayang May.
Good luck everyone. Good afternoon. Bye-bye.